Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So today I making my Christmas hair. So I have to tell a friend, and she's a Zimbabwean. So these are people that mainly make hair here in Poland. So I tried a couple of times to braid my own hair. I actually succeeded in braiding my hair, but the base, my hair is natural, the base. So I wasn't able to hide it properly. So I said, well, instead of me wasting my extension and also wasting my time, let me give it to professionals to do it. Though most of the Zimbabweans are not really professional in making hair here in Poland, but I have to do a lot of research, a lot of referrals before. I have to get a lot of referrals before I was able to get this particular lady that was able to make my hair to the taste I want. Like you all know, I like the knotless braid a lot because it makes the hair a little bit scanty. I don't like my braids looking so bulky. I would like my braids looking so scanty, and I love my braids so long, though this one's wasn't that long. Another thing I noticed about Zimbabweans making hair in Poland is they don't stretch their braids. Unlike in Nigeria, where if we want to braid hair, we kind of like stretch. After stretching, we add oil to it. On it can be any hair oil, either olive oil, whatever hair oil you decide to add to it. But I noticed when I gave her my extension to kind of cut, I noticed she did not stretch it. I was like, why don't you want to stretch it? And she said, no, they don't usually stretch extension in Zimbabwe. I said, okay. I was so curious to see how it turns out. She said, while she's making the hair, she's going to be stretching it. So maybe that is why it didn't get to the length that I actually wanted. Maybe she didn't stretch it enough. But the length she did was okay. It's not bad. And I noticed she was about to starting to make my hair without apply oil on the braids. I said, no, babe, you need to apply oil. I gave her olive oil to apply. She said, won't the oil make the braids so slippery, like making it loose, it won't stay? I said, no, it doesn't do it that way. So I am used to the oil, so to make the braids look shiny and other stuff. So she finally applied the oil on the braids and she was able to braid my hair. And I love the edge control she used. I think blue. I didn't take pictures of it. That was edge control she used. You can use shine and jam. Basically shine and jam also work for it. Because that is what I use for myself, for my edges and everything. And I noticed her hands were not painful. So throughout the process of making my hair, I didn't feel pain. Maybe at the front part, I felt a little pain, but when she was making the back of my hair, it was as if someone was not touching. It was as if I should just start sleeping. So I think in my next hairdo, I definitely gonna call her again because I didn't really feel pain. Unlike my friend, the Zimbabwean that made her hair, she felt pain for like 3 whole days. Her head was aching, but mine wasn't. So initially, this was not the color that I wanted of braids. The color braids I bought initially, I got a fake braid still from a Zimbabwe lady. Though I have to return it because when my stylist came, she saw the braid. She said, no, that we cannot use this braid, that this is a fake braid. So finally, this braid that she's using on my hair, it was the one I brought from Nigeria. I have some that I got from AliExpress, but this color was the one she chose. She said, let's use this one. So I have to return the fake braid I bought from the Zimbabwe. So if you're in Poland, you're buying braids, just look at the braid very well. A whole lot of fake braids out there. So if you buy from Africa stores does sell fake braids. They sell nice braids. But if you're buying from individual like students, just be very watchful. There's possibility that braid may be fake. Yeah. So I was lucky she was able to tell me that this is fake, and I had to call the lady I bought from that I got a fake braid from you and I need a refund. She refund my money back. Yeah, because I need my money back. So guys, I think I'm going to stop this voice notes here and let you watch this video till the end. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you love this braids. I will see you in my next video.